believe in yourself. What does it mean? Can anyone tell me?
कि आप अपने भरोसा करते हो?
Exactly. What's your name?
अभिषेक सिंह।
अभिषेक, हाँ, क्या आप अपने पर भरोसा करते हो? How much believe you in yourself? So this is the first mantra of success. Okay? And the second is pick good people, earn respect, and the fourth is I would like to share with you all, always be a student. Always be a student. What does it mean? Can anyone explain it? How can you be always a student? आप हमेशा एक स्टूडेंट कैसे बने रह सकते हो? कुछ नया सीखकर. Very good. What's your name? हाँ? Ashan. Very good. Anyone else? Punctual रहे. And yes, you have said very good and very well done. We can always be a student by learning something new daily. We have to learn. We should have an ability to learn something new daily, whether we are student or we are working. Are you understand all what I am saying? Look, if we are a student, suppose आप भी student हैं, so why are you coming at college? To learning new things, right? To enhance your skills. Okay, so if I am a teacher or trainer and I have a ability and I have a quality to learning something new daily on a daily basis, like a student, so I can be learning. I can be learn anything on daily basis. So that is the most important thing in life. I want to tell everyone with you all. Okay. So this is the thing, and ask for advice. Just ask advice for your teachers and parents like this, and create the best products. Now, what does it mean by products? What do you mean by products here?
कोई सर्विस।
And
मैम कोई चीज़ की हम जो दूसरों को प्रोवाइड कर सके जिससे उनकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज हो सके या उनको वो चीज़ किसी काम आ जाए।
yes, this is correct. But now, if I'm saying you are a student, so what's your products? What you have?
कुछ ऐसा करें कि जिससे मतलब कंट्री में हम इस समाज में हम अपनी चीज़ को कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकें, मतलब कुछ ऐसा कर सकें कि समाज में थोड़ा बदलाव हो जाए, चेंज हो जाए।
Very good, very good. Anyone? Like you are a student of engineering, so your products is number first thing is your academics. That how much you are strong in your academics. Number two, that is your skills. And our CRC department is working on this to enhancing your skills. Okay, whether English speaking